the 7-figure sales math. So you take $1 million, you divide it by your average commission. The average commission check that you get on a deal, let's just say it's $10,000. So you take $1 million, what you want to make. I want to help you make $1 million a year. And even if you're at 50K and you're like, I don't believe $1 million, I could do $1 million a year. Let me tell you, like, if I could do it, you could do it. I didn't believe that I could make 6 figures in sales. And then I made 6 figures in sales. Then I always dreamed of making $1 million a year. And then I made $1 million a year in sales. My goal is to help you make $1 million in sales. And you take $1 million, you divide it by your average commission check. Let's just say it's 10,000. That means you need $100 for 100 deals for the year. Then you divide 100 divided by 12, and then you divide that number by 22 business days. That gives you the amount of deals that you need to close per day, every single day, per business day. And then you got to figure out your funnel. Like, how many leads does it take to book the appointments? And then how many appointments does it take to close the deals? And then once you have that, okay, the daily leads, the daily appointments needed, the daily deals needed, and no matter what, just do all the activity required to hit that daily target, and then you'll make $1 million a year.
Subscribe today for more digital marketing, sales, and business growth tips from the experts.